never forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
As I'm proud of my people, welcome back to the channel. Done. It's easy.
Hey everybody, yeah, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. Guys, it's a rainy day in Jamaica today. It's a rainy day, let me show you. Yeah, we're on the road, but it's been raining most days. Like for the whole week it's been raining. On and off, thunderstorm, lightning, all kind of thing. Some places have been flooded out really badly, like Hanover, yeah. Real bad flooding, yeah. But today we are just going to run some errands. We're going to do like supermarket, you know, grocery shop. So we're going to take you with us.
Pick up a small amount of things, you know.
Pick up a small amount of things, yeah.
Balance up back with that we was talking about the other day.
Yeah, as you guys would have seen, we got the barrel. Thank you guys for all the love you guys have shown with that video. It's done really well. But yeah, so we've got the barrel, and so we really don't need much things because most of what we need is in the barrel. But you know, you have to buy your little meat and veg and, you know, protein and stuff like that. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to try and buy enough to serve for a amount of time. The children, you know, the kids are back down soon, back to school and all that stuff. So we need to make sure there's supplies in the house. So we're going to do that, take you along with us as well. Yeah, so
give thanks to life. Every man need a wife.
alright, so we reached the supermarket. We're going to pick up some of this stuffed tang. It's like the old Kool-Aid, but you don't put no sugar in it, you just mix it with water. So pick up like, what, 1 dozen?
What?
Yes. Pick up 12 of these. Yeah. They come in like different flavours, so you just mix them with water. So 12 of tang, 12 of that. They're like, how much are they each? So this is why we come to like wholesale, yeah, because they're like 66, where is it, $66 for one, or 186 for 3. Yeah. Where's the wholesale? Alright, something else. These are really for the kids. The ramen, noodles, little snack. You get like a dozen of those. The only thing is I only got the one flavour. Only chicken. You can get like 12 of those. And again, you get them on wholesale price. I can't even see the price. And this is the thing, sometimes they display the price, sometimes they don't. It's just, yeah, it's just guesswork sometimes. Sometimes you don't know how much the thing you're picking up is. You just go with the flow. So yeah. What else? Need some chicken. Huh? And saltfish, yeah, chicken and saltfish. So we come with some saltfish. They do them like £3. What else? Big, in it? £5, £5. That's £5. That's £3. How much is it a pound? Right, what's that? £3. It's a bit big, in it? Yeah, find out. See guys, so this are the saltfish, £3, £5 bags, but no prices. So you just have to just guess. So we've got to ask somebody. We couldn't find out the price for these ones. We don't know how much they're a pound. The lady said she doesn't know. So we're gonna get maybe a couple packs of these. big ones.
How much is that?
562, 540, 585. Get one of them?
That's all.
This one? Yeah. 2 of them. How much is it? 372. Alright, so we got one £10 mixed part, £10 chicken part. Yeah. We're in the fish section now. Looking at some of the fish. This is brand. They're nice, they're a bit bony, but they eat good. We're gonna get some franks for the kids.
Chicken frank.
Chicken franks. It's a 980, 900 grams. What? Yeah. Yeah, but the 900 gram you're buying.
Oh, okay.
So hold on, so the 900 gram there, 105 and that one, what's the difference? Chicken frank, oh the chicken frank. It's $1,000, 1,005. Yeah, for the kids. Alright, lastly the flour. How much flour is that? Yeah, about 4 kinds of flour. Yeah, now he needs cornmeal. You know, he's a man, he has to mix the flour with the cornmeal. The dumpling.
Yeah, straight flour work for him.
Just cheer him. Straight flour doesn't work for him. Get his cornmeal on his, yeah. So we're good now?
So far, so
I
good.
think we're good now. So let's see what the damage is. So we got franks, we got salt fish, grunt, £10 chicken parts, flour, cornmeal. Yeah. So we've just finished at the supermarket or the wholesale. Outlaw's just gone into another shop to get some smoked turkey neck. The shop we went in originally, they do turkey neck, but just not the smoked one. You know he loves smoked turkey neck. So we just wanted to get some smoked turkey neck, and then we're kind of done. I'm gonna go do my eyebrows real quick, and yeah, that's it really. The Outlaw's back. What did you get, sir?
Turkey neck. Turkey neck. There's turkey neck around there now.
What, £1? £1 of smoked turkey neck. How much is a pound of smoked turkey neck?
600 or something.
Okay. Yeah. This is a smoked one, guys.
But you see the amount of it in the packaging was so down.
Yeah. Yeah, so the other day we made the other day we bought some turkey neck from Progressive supermarket. You know Progressive? The upper supermarket there. And we paid over $1,000 for the same amount. The same amount we paid over $1,000 for. So we just went into a little supermarket called Big Ben. Yeah. Just past the clock tower, and see the price for it? So sometime it pays to shop around. Yeah. So Outlaw, you're gonna take care of this.
So we said economize, you know.
Economize.
Yeah, that's so we said that, you know. So you never think they will find it. You know?
Definitely me. I'm definitely all about economizing. Outlaw will tell you. Yeah, definitely. Yes.
We can tell you.
Yeah. So still in Ochi right now. Alright, last stop is market. So remember we said we come to the market back. Outlaw, why do we come to the market back? Tell the people why you always want to come to the market back and not the front of the market.
When you go to the market back, you get a better shop.
In terms of price.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
Yes, but you go up on the front, you got to, when you check out the price, you got something you have to ball out, Lord Jesus Christ. So you turn back, make a better shop.
Yeah. So guys, if you're in Ochi, right, you come to the market back near where the back of the bus park is.
Yeah, across from the bus
Across from the bus centre. Yeah, and come to the market back. Alright, back from the market, we got bundle of callaloo, What else is in here? You see the scallion, thyme, it's a whole heap of thyme. Hot peppers or Scotch bonnet. Oh my gosh. Some tomatoes. Pound of tomato. I can see onion in there. Scallion. Some sweet peppers as well. So Outlaw's just going to get some yam, and then when we get in we'll price up everything and let you know how much it all came to and everything like that. So there's Mr. Man. Come with the yam. Oh, yam and a sweet potato.
Yeah.
What's that? £2 a yam?
£1.50, you know.
£1.50.
And £1 of potato.
And £1 potato.
Yeah, small cooking, you don't know what not right, you know.
Yeah.
It's good like that, you know, $4.50. $4.50 for that.
Okay. Alright, so we're back from the supermarket and the market. So I just wanted to tell you guys how much we paid. Outlaw just bought some melon. How much we paid at the supermarket, and what we got. So we got 12 of these, right? Tang. You just mix them with water and you can get there it is, makes 2 litres. They're just easy, and yeah. So we got 12 of these. We got noodles, ramen noodles, 12 of these. Chicken noodles. We got, this is about £4 of flour. About £4 of flour. This is, looks like £2 of cornmeal. This is what we got from the supermarket. We also got one £10 of chicken, mixed parts. £10 of mixed parts chicken. And we got 2 pack of these fish. This is grunt. And they've got like 4 fishes in them. Yeah, 4 of them in there. We've got 2 packs of those. Yeah. So £10 of chicken, about 8 fish grunt. We got this is saltfish. This is a pound, £1 of saltfish we got there. And the turkey neck, as you guys would have seen, smoked turkey neck. We got that from another supermarket, but turkey neck. And then the pack of franks. So all of that, what you see, all of this meat kinds, fish and meat, and this came to $10,000. $10,000. Now the market stuff, we got some hot peppers, Scotch bonnet. We got £1 of carrot. We got a cabbage. I don't even know how much is this? £2 cabbage in weight. We got £1.50 of yam and sweet potato, a little garlic, £1 of tomatoes, £1 of sweet pepper, £1 of onion, a bundle of callaloo, and of course scallion and thyme. That came to $2,500. So our total bill today, with everything you see over there, the meat kind, the little noodles, flour and vegetables and fresh seasonings, came to roughly $12,500. So this came to about 12,500, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
About that?
About that, yeah.
Food and salting.
Yeah. Yeah. And guys, because I brought the barrel down, it helped. I didn't have to buy any rice. There's no toiletries in this. No, washing up liquid or toilet tissues. So no canned things. Yeah. So this will, we're a small family. This will last. This will last us for a good while. Yeah.
This one has got to be now. Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.